Children in the government primary school Bajajnagar, Jaipur have been experiencing a change in the environment and teaching learning practices in their classroom. In contrast to the standard classroom, the teacher now sits at the same level as the children and facilitates their learning. Low-level blackboards and attractive teaching learning materials have flooded the classroom and are easily accessible to the children. Their work is proudly displayed on an overhead net. Leher, Learning Enhancement Activities in Rajasthan, is in line with SSA's efforts to improve quality of education in Rajasthan. There is a statewide commitment to enrollment and retention of children in the age group 6 to 14 years with enhanced learning levels of all children. Leher is improving the attendance of children in schools and motivating them to participate in their own learning.
शिक्षा के क्षेत्र के अंदर ये जो लहर कार्यक्रम चल रहा है, ये एक बहुत नया कार्यक्रम है और इस कार्यक्रम के अंदर भाग लेने से बच्चों की जो अध्ययन की प्रक्रिया है उसको गति मिलेगी, गति मिल रही है। हमारे यहाँ जो बच्चों का नामांकन है कक्षा 1 के अंदर वो 30 है, उनमें से 10-12 बच्चे आते थे, लेकिन इस कार्यक्रम के शुरू होने के बाद में बच्चों का जो उपस्थिति वो बढ़ी है और बच्चे पाठ्यक्रम तो वही है जो पहले था, कोई उसमें नया परिवर्तन नहीं आया, लेकिन इसको प्रस्तुति जो है वो अलग होने से बच्चा एक्टिव होता है, अपना काम खुद करता है।
Leher teachers are excited about the activity level in the classroom and the closeness they now feel with the children.
हमने क्या देखा कि पहले जो बच्चे पहली क्लास के जिनको हम जानते नहीं थे, मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि इस स्कूल में पढ़ाते हुए मुझे 1.5 साल हो गया, लेकिन अभी तक पहली क्लास के बच्चों को मैं जानता तक नहीं था। और इन 5-7 दिनों में ऐसा हुआ है कि हर बच्चे को मैं नाम से जानने लग गया। मुझे लगा ये लहर कार्यक्रम अपनापन लेके आया है। आज हमारे 8वीं क्लास के बच्चे खुल के हमें जो अपनी बात नहीं कह पाते, वो बातें पहली क्लास वाले बच्चे बिना किसी डर के, किसी संकोच के आराम से कह देते हैं।
What is the reason behind the increased motivation of both teachers and students? Leher activities ensure active participation of each child in the learning process. It is founded on the premise that children are important. They learn at their own pace and should be accorded this freedom in the classroom. It allows for diversity and different rates of growth. Gender equality is built into the process of working in groups as children share work and learn from each other without any awkwardness. The teacher is a facilitator in the teaching-learning process, using a lot of attractive materials. The materials are aligned with the present curriculum and textbooks are used in the class. They are, however, not the only source of knowledge, and the teacher is not the sole authority. In the Leher classroom, children are not scrambling for adult attention, since peer and self-learning are essential parts of the process. The crux of the process is the ladder, which is a chronological arrangement of activities aligned to curriculum-based competencies. Without much difficulty, children learn to identify their place in the ladder, find the respective card, and begin to work on the predefined activity. Different ways of learning are built into the ladder, like songs, games, reading, writing, and evaluation activities. There is ample space for repetition and practice of concepts as children write in their notebooks, blackboards, and workbooks. Children proudly own a part of the blackboard, which is painted at their eye level on the walls of their classroom. The achievement chart helps the teacher keep track of the students' progress. It also allows the students to enjoy their accomplishment as their peers applaud them on successfully completing a milestone on the ladder.
कुणाल का माइलस्टोन 2 कंप्लीट हो गया है, इसके लिए हम सब ताली बजाएंगे। 2 3
मैडम को जो किताब देती है उसमें काम करना अच्छा लगता है और बच्चों के साथ में बैठना अच्छा लगता है।
In the Leher classroom, children develop a sense of responsibility towards the classroom and the materials in the classroom. They also mark their own attendance on individualized attendance cards. The trust that this process places on the children enhances their self-esteem. In many schools, inputs from Bala, building as learning aids, have also been incorporated to enhance the learning activities in the school, especially in maths and science. UNICEF is supporting RCEE in initially demonstrating Leher in 6 schools and scaling up to 4,735 schools statewide. This innovative learning process of Leher is sure to elevate the standard of education in Rajasthan.